Let's go. Mithrix time.
All 5 of those runs are just warm-up runs.
Yeah. No, we were just learning our characters. I mean, I already know the game, but my boy's learning. I was helping him figure out the game, that sort of thing.
You put me on drugs, Thomas.
Hey, look. Drugs are only a problem when they really fuck you. If as long as you never come off the high, hell, baby. Could you raise me, daddy? Yeah. I'll raise you back too, baby. Well, yeah, I raised me, so we're still on pace and everything. Not,
Mocha?
that's fire. You got a white out.
No, I'm not giving up teddy bears.
You can hit that motherfucker. That motherfucker.
We have no items.
Hey man, look. Hey, you know what? You know why I don't need items?
Why?
Boom, I just instantly killed the boss. For one of the
What?
bosses.
A boss.
Hey, outside line.
You're doing fine.
Are we? You need to come make sure you charge the teleporter up as you leave the teleporter radius.
Yeah, to avoid a nuke.
I guess. Alright. Make sure you go to the blue portal too when you leave. Remember, you have iframe.
Oh, yeah, but cooldowns exist.
Well, just don't be on cooldown.
I'll work on that.
Boom. He's the one that keeps exploding.
I need speed. Oh, I'm
Boom. Blocked by a teddy bear.